Hey there folks, welcome back to CLG Machines. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of raising, harvesting, and processing pork in China. Did you know that in China the pork industry is massive? That's right, they're the world leaders in pork production. Farmers in China adhere to strict standards regarding the quality of feed and living conditions for their pigs, ensuring that the pork we enjoy is top-notch. At these farms, they use automated systems and food delivery to enhance farming efficiency and cut down on waste. They're fed 3 times a day with a diet primarily consisting of grains. The diversity in their diet helps provide essential nutrients, resulting in delicious and high-quality meat. And just like us, pigs need plenty of water, especially during those hot summer months. Keeping them hydrated is crucial for their health. This ensures that Chinese pork is reliable and safe for consumers. Besides, ventilation fans help regulate temperature. This gives pigs better physical health and makes them more comfortable. Pigs are quite adaptable creatures, thriving in various environments and having high reproductive rates. They usually breed twice a year, with each litter bringing in 10 to 14 piglets. To ensure that piglets receive the best care and development. During the first 2 weeks after birth, piglets are nursed exclusively on their mother's milk. Now, let's talk about the vaccination process. To keep the pig herds healthy, vaccinations are a must. These vaccines protect pigs from common diseases like swine fever and swine enteritis. By ensuring the pigs stay healthy, farmers can maintain a steady supply of quality pork. When it comes time to transport pigs to the processing plants, it's done with care. Specialized transport vehicles equipped with multiple compartments ensure the pig's safety and well-being throughout the journey. Workers prepare by applying a layer of high-friction material to the transport areas to keep the pigs safe. After arriving at the assembly point, pigs are allowed to rest before being processed, ensuring a comfortable state of mind and minimizing stress. At the processing factory, pigs are conveyed onto a conveyor belt and put into scalding tanks. Water at around 150 deg loosens the hair, and scraping brushes remove most of it. Any remaining hair is singed off at a high temperature, ensuring all bacteria on the skin are destroyed. It's a clean and efficient process that prioritizes animal welfare and hygiene. Automated machines then cut the meat into various portions. Workers use sharp knives to carefully cut the pig's belly and remove internal organs. Innovative meat processing technology with high levels of automation is a breakthrough in the food industry. From separating and cutting to processing meat, it's all done automatically with precision and efficiency. These professionals possess remarkable abilities. They all have more than 5 years of experience at this work. Meat portions that do not satisfy the specifications will be rejected. The pork food industry in China is highly advanced, with food industry machines playing a crucial role in the production process. These machines handle everything from initial processing to packaging, ensuring efficiency and safety. These chunks of pork will be quality inspected again before they leave the facility for stores. Each of these container trucks can transport up to 30,000 pounds of pork at one time. The meat will be kept aseptically aboard the truck. When they arrive to the supermarket, they are stored in enormous warehouses and then tagged with information and pricing before being displayed on shelves. Did you know that approximately 55 billion cans of pork are produced each year in China? That's a huge part of the food processing industry. Canned pork undergoes meticulous production, starting with tightly sealing the product. Then, they're heat-treated to kill all spoilage causing microorganisms, resulting in commercially sterile canned meat products. This process ensures that canned meat is high quality, protein-rich, and convenient for consumers. Countries enforce strict regulations regarding hygiene and food safety, making sure that what we eat is both delicious and safe. Let's not forget about the environmental aspect. The pork industry in China is increasingly focusing on environmental protection. Farmers have implemented measures to save energy and reduce negative environmental impacts. They've invested in waste treatment systems to minimize pollution and reuse treated water reservoirs for farm cleaning purposes. It's all about sustainability and maintaining a balance with nature. Farmers in China often collaborate closely with pork processing plants in the meat supply chain. This collaboration ensures a seamless transition from farm to table, maintaining the quality and continuity of the meat supply. At the processing plant, modern quality control systems are implemented at every step, ensuring that the pork products are safe and delicious. So, what do you think about the process of raising and processing pork in China? Pretty fascinating, right? Have you ever wondered how your pork chops make it from farm to table? It's incredible to think about all the steps involved. Next time you enjoy a pork dish, you'll have a new appreciation for all the hard work and technology that goes into producing it. Here's a fun fact: pigs raised on Chinese farms are often given specially formulated feed to ensure they get all the nutrients they need. It's kind of like a piggy superfood smoothie. This special feed includes vitamins and minerals that boost their growth and overall health, making them robust and ready for the next steps in the pork production process. In Chinese pig farms, pigs dine on a unique mix of soybeans, corn, and occasionally, kitchen leftovers like rice and vegetables. They also indulge in nutritional supplements to ensure robust health. Interestingly, some farms play soothing music to reduce stress, promoting a relaxed atmosphere for these pampered porkers. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and appreciate your thoughts and suggestions. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content about the food processing industry. We're all about bringing you the best info on food industry machines, pork food industry machines, and everything in between. Don't leave the screen. We will take you to a place that will surprise you with its scale and quality. Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Now we're diving into the fascinating world of making sausage in China. Follow up, because this journey is packed with interesting processes and fascinating sausage conveyors in a sausage factory. Let's get started. Pork pieces that have been processed, cut and defatted at the pork processing facility are sent to sausage factories. The sausage food industry in China is highly advanced, with food industry machines playing a crucial role in the production process. These machines handle everything from initial processing to packaging, ensuring efficiency and safety. Automated machines grind the meat into fine pieces. Workers use sharp tools to carefully prepare the meat. Innovative sausage processing technology with high levels of automation is a breakthrough in the food industry. From grinding and mixing to stuffing and linking, it's all done automatically with precision and efficiency. These smart devices not only enhance productivity but also reduce production costs. All right, let's dive into the specifics of making sausage. Creating sausages is like putting together a tasty puzzle where every piece matters. It all starts with choosing the best meat, whether it's rich beef, juicy pork, or lean chicken, to set the tone for the whole flavor experience. This step isn't just about taste, it's about making sure our sausages are top-notch, free from any hint of spoilage. Think of it as a kitchen orchestra with spices playing the main tune. Salt, sugar, pepper, garlic, onions, herbs, and a bunch of spices join in a flavor dance with the meat. The way they mix creates a rich and savory taste that leaves a lasting impression on your taste buds. Getting the balance right between meat and fat is a bit like finding the perfect rhythm in a dance. Typically, we go for a mix of 70% meat and 30% fat, though some sausages might sway a bit in one direction or another. This careful balance is what gives our sausages that special texture and juiciness we all love. Now imagine all these ingredients coming together in a giant mixer, working together like a well-practiced team. The amount mixed at once is carefully planned, making sure everything blends just right. This step is all about precision, ensuring each sausage turns out perfect. Then comes the shaping phase, where our sausage-making machine takes center stage. The meat blend transforms into different shapes: round, long, or flow-shaped. This step adds a touch of artistry, making each sausage a unique masterpiece. What's a good performance without a bit of drama? For our sausages, that drama is the smoky flavor. Picture this: the sausages spending 2 to 4 hours getting a hint of smokiness, creating a crescendo of flavors that make them truly special. After the smoky show, our sausages take a chill pill, ready for their grand finale. This is the moment when they can either step into the spotlight for you to enjoy right away, or take a back seat in the freezer for a future encore. This tasty show happens daily, with the scale depending on how big our kitchen is. Automated machinery, like skilled musicians, ensures every step is precise and consistent. Farmers and technicians oversee the whole process, making sure it's a top-notch performance every time. Just like any great performance, safety is our top priority. We follow strict food safety standards, maintaining a clean environment, and our staff is trained to keep everything in check. Ingredients go through thorough checks, making sure every bite is not only delicious but also safe for you, our beloved audience. In the grand culinary performance of crafting the perfect sausage, each step is more than just a note, it's a carefully choreographed dance contributing to the overall masterpiece. Our dedication to tradition, innovation, and excellence ensures that the sausages on your plate aren't just a meal, they are a gastronomic symphony made with love and precision. Processing sausage is a delicate journey, starting with carefully selecting the freshest cuts of meat. Pork, beef, or chicken are chopped and washed, creating the foundation for a blend of flavors. After this step, the meat is put into a meat grinder, where it becomes a smooth, crumbly mixture that mixes easily with the other ingredients. This is an important step to create softness and uniformity for the final sausage. Finally, the sausage is cooled and carefully packaged to preserve flavor and freshness. The process is not simply food preparation but an art, where each step plays an important role in creating the perfect sausage for your meal. Did you know that approximately 65 billion sausages are produced each year in China? That's a huge part of the food processing industry. Sausages undergo meticulous production, starting with tightly sealing the product. Then, they're heat-treated to kill all spoilage, causing microorganisms, resulting in commercially sterile sausage products. This process ensures that sausages are high-quality, protein-rich, and convenient for consumers. Let's not forget about the environmental aspect. The pork industry in China is increasingly focusing on environmental protection. Farmers have implemented measures to save energy and reduce negative environmental impacts. They've invested in waste treatment systems to minimize pollution and reuse treated water reservoirs for farm cleaning purposes. It's all about sustainability and maintaining a balance with nature. So, what do you think about the process of making sausage in China? Pretty fascinating, right? Have you ever wondered how your sausage links make it from farm to table? It's incredible to think about all the steps involved. Next time you enjoy a sausage dish, you'll have a new appreciation for all the hard work and technology that goes into producing it. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and appreciate your thoughts and suggestions. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content about the food processing industry. We're all about bringing you the best info on food industry machines, sausage food industry machines, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, keep exploring, and enjoy the journey from farm to table. Happy eating you all. Besides, ventilation fans help regulate temperature. This gives pigs better physical health and makes them more comfortable.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.